5 basic sentence patterns. The 5 basic sentence patterns are SIB adverb, STBDO, STBIODO, STBDOOC, and SLBSC. SIB adverb. The transitive verb needs an adverb to modify the verb. Examples: Ferdinand Marcos spoke eloquently. Andres Bonifacio fought gallantly. The STBDO. The direct object is the part of the sentence which receives the action of the transitive verb. It answers the questions what or whom. Examples: Rizal wrote the El Filibusterismo. Marcela Agoncillo sued the first Philippine flag. STDIODO. The indirect object is a noun or pronoun or word affected by the action of the transitive verb but not directly act on by it. It answers the questions to whom or for whom. Example: Tandang Sora gave the Katipuneros food. Rizal gave the Filipino people cannoli and fili. STBDOOC. The objective complement is an adjective or noun that follows the direct object and describe or rename it. Examples: Rizal called the Plumtree a loyal friend. The president called the Philippine a tiger cub. SLBSC. The subjective complement is a noun pronoun or an adjective that comes after the linking verb. It refers back to the subject of the sentence. Example: Graciano Lopez Haina was a great orator. I am a teacher. The food tastes sweet.